On November 17, 2025 in Los Angeles, a tense confrontation unfolded in a busy residential neighborhood. A man with a loaded firearm faced off against experienced police officers. But the most surprising part was not the pursuit. It was the specific way the officer tried to convince the shooter to surrender. What really happened on Northgate Avenue? Stay with us as we break down this intense encounter.
LA City 911.
Hello? This is an emergency. There's a man with a gun. He was pointing at us.
What's the address?
83 Northgate Avenue. The police is just like nearby.
83. What did he do?
83 Northgate Avenue. He has a gun. He was pointing at us. We just ran, but he's there. There was another lady that he was pointing at too.
Okay, is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
He's white.
What color shirt and pants was he wearing?
Black. I think he has a jacket. Black and
Black jacket?
Black pants. Yes.
Black jacket, black pants. Okay, stay on the line for me. I'm going to dispatch officers, okay?
Bold.
Notice how the dispatcher is constantly asking for specific details about the clothing and appearance of the individual. This is a critical step in police procedure to ensure that responding officers do not mistake an innocent bystander for the suspect when they arrive at a crowded location. Every detail provided by the witness helps the officers prepare for the potential danger ahead.
He's bold.
Bald?
He doesn't have hair.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't hang up.
Hair.
Topanga units, ADW suspect there now. 83 Northgate Avenue. Suspect is a male white, wearing black jacket, black pants, armed with a gun. Incident 2035, RD 2105. Stand by for additional.
The information from the emergency dispatcher was clear. The suspect was described as a white male who was bald and armed with a weapon. As officers arrived at the scene, they knew that every second counted to protect innocent civilians. However, once they spotted the suspect for the first time, they realized the situation was even more dangerous than they had anticipated.
Yeah. Oh, he's got tattoos all over his face, bro.
Hey, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
X46, we're code 6 on the suspect. Give me a backup, 415 man with a gun. We're right in front of Nate's Cafe. Lift up your hands. Hands in the air. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
Hey, can you leave me alone, dog? I'm on probation.
Hey, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't reach for it. Okay, we gotta go less lethal. Okay.
Hey, drop it, yo! Hey! Hey! Drop it! Hey! Drop it now! Drop it! I'm gonna shoot you! Hey! Drop it! Drop it now! Way 5, he's northbound Northgate, 83. Hey! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Drop it! Drop it now! Drop it now!
Air Force One!
Drop it now! I'm gonna shoot you!
Roger, I'm doing this.
It's alright! It's alright! Drop it now!
Let's go, sir.
Drop it now! It's okay! I'm gonna help you! Hey!
Nah, leave me alone. Let's see.
It's not a big deal. Nothing happened. Hey, nothing happened. You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble. Okay, drop it. Okay, drop it. Drop it or you're not in trouble right now. I don't want to hurt you. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Drop it now, bro. Come on. Hey, I'm gonna take care of you, bro. Trust me. Trust me, bro.
Did you hear that? The officer just called the suspect bro. In law enforcement, this is a calculated move known as tactical empathy. By shifting his tone and promising to take care of him, the The officer is trying to pierce through the suspect's adrenaline and fear. He is attempting to de-escalate a deadly situation without firing another shot. But in a standoff this intense, will words be enough?
Trust me, bro. Hey, I'm gonna take care of you, bro. Hey, you're fine. Hey, let me help you.
The patience of the officers has reached its limit. As the attempts at persuasion seem to fail, the air becomes heavy with tension. One small movement is all it takes for everything to explode into chaos.
Let me help you. Drop it now. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Get the truck. Get the truck. I got it. Get it. Get out of here.
After moments of absolute chaos, the scene was finally brought under control. Although shots were fired, the officers had to move in quickly to secure the suspect, who continued to resist with physical force. It would take a significant effort to finally handcuff the man in this highly volatile situation. Now let us look at the evidence recovered and the charges filed against Marcus Hayes.
I'm gonna get him up. Get up, man. Get up. You okay? Yeah. You were shot or anything? No.
Now, looking at the footage from the in-car digital camera, we get a much clearer perspective of the distance between Marcus Hayes and the officers. Watch closely as Hayes turns toward the units. From this wider angle, it becomes evident how little time the officers had to react when the suspect produced a firearm. This secondary view is crucial for investigators to evaluate the tactical positioning of everyone involved during the shooting. The weapon recovered at the scene was a loaded 9mm semi-automatic pistol with a 15-round magazine. For an individual who is already on probation, carrying a firearm like this is a severe violation of the law. This high-capacity magazine significantly increased the threat level for every officer and civilian in the area, explaining why the situation was handled with such high intensity. Following his arrest, Marcus Hayes, a 27-year-old resident of Los Angeles, faced several serious legal charges. The Los Angeles County District Attorney Office filed counts of attempted murder on a peace officer, assault with a deadly weapon with a firearm, and being a felon in possession of a firearm. As the legal process continues, this case serves as a stark reminder of the dangers officers face every day on the streets of Los Angeles. If you want to see more law enforcement breakdowns, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.